Okay, my people of YouTube, this is Josh again, Main Heating and Cooling. I just wanted to give you like a part 2 of the combi cleaning, just so that you can see what happened after a half an hour of using the vinegar through the system. So, again, we started off clear. All we used was some cleaning vinegar. 2 gallons were put in the bucket. Again, started off clean, and this is what we ended up with after about 30 minutes of cycling through the system. Real quick, just so that in case you missed the first one or didn't see what I did, I've got cold water feed to the boiler, hot water going out. Those are both shut off. And if you come down, I've got boiler drains at both sides here, so that with the water turned off, I can force the vinegar through the boiler, up through the valves, and through the flat plate heat exchanger, back down the hot side, and back out into the bucket. So that's all I'm doing, is cycling through the boiler for roughly a half an hour at this point. Good practice for me is roughly an hour. Again, you do have to unplug your diverter valve, okay? Once it's locked into the domestic use side, you will unplug that so that it stays open when you turn the boiler off. Has to be done, or it's not going to work for you. And again, this is a Bosch Combi 131 condensing boiler, a Bosch Greenstar. We've been super happy with it. I've put in many of these Bosch boilers. That is my primary line of boiler. Main Heating and Cooling is actually an ABC contractor, which is accredited Bosch contractor for Bosch. So we get an extra year of warranty for the customer, which is nice. So some people are giving out 1 year. I can give 2, parts and labor, which is very nice. So again, that's what I have for you on the Combi flat plate heat exchanger. Again, this works on the tankless Green Therm tankless water heater as well. It also works on Rinnai. Anything that's got that combi side, this can be done with typically, as long as it's set up and built with what I have in both spots. There are other ways to build it, obviously, but I do it this way. That's the way I like to do it. So again, there you go. 2 years. I have not cleaned that flat plate. I like to do it once a year, but there you go for 2 years. Certainly going to work a lot better. It's going to transfer more heat, more flow, the whole thing. Any questions, feel free to leave a message, and I'll see what I can do to get back to you. Thanks again. Josh, Main Heating and Cooling. Thanks.